Hello and welcome. I'm Tarshan, founder of Blender Babes, and today we're going to be talking in depth about the Vitamix stainless steel container. And I'm also going to do a quick demo for you. Now, before I get into everything you need to know about the stainless steel container, recently Vitamix launched a new pairing where you can get the A3500 with a stainless steel container instead of the 64-ounce low-profile container that it usually comes with. I want to be clear that this is not a bundle. You don't get both containers, it just comes standard with the stainless steel jar. Now, we're going to talk about why that might be a good choice for you in your lifestyle, but you may just want to get a stainless steel container as an extra container if you have another older Vitamix, and we're going to talk about why now. So here are the 8 benefits of having a stainless steel container. 1, people have been requesting that Vitamix make a glass or stainless container for as long as Vitamix has been using a standard BPA Triton plastic container. With the main reason being many people are wanting to use less plastic. Now, at the making of this video, Vitamix engineers did not feel a glass container would be safe and easy to use at the same time because the weight of having a glass container would just be too heavy. So the stainless steel container is the solution for customers who do not want to use plastic. 2, the stainless steel container fits on all Vitamix full-size blenders. That includes all the Legacy, Classic, and Explorian series as well as the Smart System blenders. So even if you currently own an older Vitamix model, you have the option of using the stainless steel container, which is awesome. Especially since new products made by Vitamix now usually only work with Smart System blenders. 3, the stainless steel container is odor, stain, and scratch resistant. It's not 100% scratch proof, but doesn't smell or get etched and stained as easily as the plastic containers when you blend certain things. For example, turmeric and curry and grinding certain things like coffee beans or cinnamon sticks are notorious for staining and leaving an odor in their plastic jars. And this is usually because of the natural oils that come out and tend to linger in those types of containers. 4, because you can clean any staining and it's harder to scratch, the stainless steel container will look pretty for much longer. Doesn't it look great here on the A3500? 5, the stainless steel container has black laser etched markings on the inside so you can measure how much you're putting into the jar. Now, this is not ink and won't come off in your food. The markings are made with a laser, and it has a clear lid so you can see into the jar. 6, the stainless steel container is 48 ounces. It has a 3-inch blade and a 1-cup minimum yield. What that means is it can blend small and medium-sized batches. That can be important for people who do not want to have to purchase additional containers to blend small batches, which you usually have to do when a Vitamix comes standard with a 64-ounce low-profile container. 7, this container can blend really cold and hot liquids. It does hold the cold and heat more than the plastic container. They even have a little warning sign here that shows to be more careful with hot liquids. And to help with this, there's a thin plastic strip on the outside next to the handle which protects your knuckles from heat or cold. And last but not least, 8, the container is dishwasher safe. Woo! That's always a plus. So now I want to demonstrate blending curry powder in the stainless steel container. I'm going to be blending a delicious recipe that's featured in my simple 7-day blender cleanse program that my community just loves. This soup was created by a Michelin star chef friend of mine, so I really hope you enjoy it. The ingredients include 2.5 cups of carrots, half a large yellow or white onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder, half a tablespoon of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, half a lime, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 3/4 a cup of low-fat coconut milk or a canned coconut milk, You can use water or low sodium vegetable stock, salt and pepper, and 1/8 a cup of fresh cilantro leaves. Okay, so now you can see the rich color of the soup, and I can't tell you how many times I've made this in my plastic container, and even if I washed it immediately, it would have a light yellow tint to it and still smelled like curry. Now I'm going to do a typical wash with just soap and water, blending and rinsing. As you can see, all of the oils are coming out of this stainless steel container. Nothing's left behind for your next blend, which is really nice. And I wish you guys could smell the container, but really all the curry odor that would have been left in there is gone. It's pretty amazing. So whether you're new to Vitamix and might be interested in the A3500 that comes standard with the stainless steel jar, or you just want to use the stainless steel jar with the Vitamix you already have, I highly recommend this container. Put it on your wish list. Put it on your mommy's list or Christmas list, and just look out for maybe an accessory sale. They usually have one during Black Friday and the holiday sales. You can also always refer to my current Vitamix deals at the link below. I update this post constantly with all the new exclusive offers, and I always have it the most up-to-date with Vitamix sales. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, happy blending.